don't know a good intro for this video, so stink. There's two parts, and one is for high FPS, which is 120 FPS. There's another 60 FPS, and it's really good quality. You have to use game capture, so it's a little bit more efficient. Don't mind my layout, by the way. It's a bit different. I just have this because I'm a nerd. All right, so for my audio, it's a little different. You can just have the tracks at 1 and 1 and 2 and 2 or whatever. But what I do is I have my desktop audio and my microphone to two different tracks. So in my editing software, I can like make my voice really loud or mute my voice to have someone else speak or something like that. Type should be standard, not FMPEG. Yeah, here's my two audio tracks. Just have this as one if you don't want to like have two different audio tracks. I know with Premiere Pro it works, but like some others might not have it work. Rescaling output here doesn't really it's really not efficient. Quality preset speed, so it's faster. Profile should be main, so that's the only thing I made. Never mind. Profile level 5.1 because it's a good bitrate. Tier high. Coding type automatic. Reference frames, I guess just 1. I didn't change that. Now this is a big one. You have to put this to constant QP and then put this at 12, and then the frame skipping disabled. Skip frame period 0 because we're not even skipping frames. And then enforce HRD enabled. High quality motion boost. I have this default the VB buffer, VB buffer is automatic. The strictness is 50, then the initial fullness is 100. I think these are all default, but just make sure you have all of these. And yeah, quarter pixel. Yeah, so this is my video adapter. It's the only one I have. It's the RX 580 series. It looks like this. And then the view mode. To get all of these settings, you actually have to put it on master. I think advanced would work, but master is just, I don't know, better. All right, for audio, these are my two devices that I use. Sample rate, this, because it sounds a little better in stereo, of course. I don't need surround sound. I think this is all default, actually. And in video, I record in 120 FPS. This video, you'll see it with my mouse cursor, maybe bilinear, because it's the fastest, and we're not scaling, which, okay, scaling means like if you're gonna record in 720, but I'm not going to, so it's just like this won't make a difference. I just use the fastest one because it's the fastest. Hotkeys, I just use something to start and stop recording. And then scroll lock is my replay buffer. I just did that. All right, here's a huge one. Whenever you're gonna record, run it as administrator, OBS as administrator, and then set this process priority to high. Render, blah blah blah. I think, yeah, just keep this as NV12, sRGB, and then color range full. That'll make your videos look a lot more colorful and just better in general. Now for the 60 FPS version. It's higher quality. I still have the same thing for everything here, and the preview is still disabled. Everything is the same here, but this is set to 60. Switch to the recording tab, and make sure this is set to H.264. X.264 is the CPU encoder. Really? To get all of these settings, you have to switch this to indistinguishable recording quality, and then switch it to this blank space here, and then turn this down to 12. The quality can stay balanced. And that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you come back soon. I might make more tutorials on stuff, but I mostly just do commentary video type things. I'm doing this for the algorithm, by the way, because nobody knows who I am. Sorry everyone who subscribed.